Hey there, e-commerce enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel, W3 Army. It's me, Faisal Jaman, and today I'm going to share with you this option or this icon on your menu. So if you don't have Elementor Pro, you don't use this plugin, but you have a WooCommerce store, you would like to use this icon over here. So you can set it very easily. So in order to do, I will just add a plugin that is. Just go to our WordPress website backend, and here I will go to the plugin section, plugin, and click add new plugin. Here I will type the menu card for WooCommerce. Here you are the file, that is menu card for WooCommerce. The last update is 1 month ago, and its active installation is 1 lakh plus. So this is the compatibility of WordPress version. So click this add new, activate the plugin, and now go to the WooCommerce and click the menu card setup. And where you would like to set up, select the menu which you want to display the menu card. I would like to display the primary menu. So here I will show you the thing. The thing is where I set these three menus. So this is very easy. That is, go to appearance. Where is appearance? Appearance, and go to menu. And here you can see I have already made three menus, that is left side menu, right side menu, and primary menu. These are the left side, this is the right side, and this is the primary menu. And I would like to display over here. So go back to our menu settings, and I would like to display on primary part, primary section, primary menu, and don't need to click anything over here. And here which icon we want to display, I will keep it as it is, this one, and just save change. All right, now I go to our website and refresh the website. Here you can see we don't see any checkout, any menu icon options, and click checkout option. So it's not work because here I have designed by Elementor. That's why it will not work. But if you have any simple website, or if you have any you don't have any use WooCommerce, Elementor, it will automatically display over here. So don't worry about it. If you just need this icon over here without Elementor Pro, you can do it very easily. So I hope this video is very helpful, and if you think this video is very helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.